What's the meaning of cloistered? Cloistered. Cloistered.
Cloistered. Cloistered. The word cloistered refers to someone who is secluded or confined to a specific space or environment. It can describe physical isolation, such as being confined to a cloister or monastery, or it can describe mental or intellectual isolation, such as being sheltered from society or lacking exposure to different ideas and perspectives. Being cloistered can lead to a narrow worldview and limited experiences, but it can also provide a sense of security and protection from the outside world. Ultimately, the effects of being cloistered depend on the individual's perspective and circumstances.